Class 10 example sum 5.19. Calculate the slope and y-intercept of the straight line 8x minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. From this equation we want to find out the slope and y-intercept. Okay, now this is the given equation. We want to find the slope and y-intercept means slope and y-intercept, we know the formula, equation of the straight line. Slope and y-intercept is y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of straight line. From here we can find that intercept y and then slope. So the given equation should be converted to this format. So I take that 8x minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. I take this 7y to another side. So we get 8x plus 6 is equal to minus 7y will be plus 7y, right? Now we want to turn in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So here we need only y. So divide the whole equation by 7. So 8 by 7x plus 6 by 7 is equal to y. Now I rewrite this format, y is equal to 8 by 7x plus 6 by 7. Now compare this equation with this. In the place of m we have 8 by 9. So slope m is equal to 8 divided by 9 and y-intercept c is equal to 6 by 7. Compare this equation. In the place of 6, c is 6 by 7 is the answer. Thank you, students. Hi students, class 10 example sum 5.20. See the degree, the graph relates temperature y in Fahrenheit degree to temperature x in Celsius degree. So the y is Fahrenheit and x is Celsius. Find the slope and y-intercept. We want to find the slope and y-intercept. Write an equation of the line. Second one B. Then third one, what is the mean temperature of the earth in Fahrenheit if its mean temperature is 25 degrees Celsius? If the mean temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. See the 2 points is given 0,32 and 20,68 are the 2 points. Let's see, the x is given in a Celsius and y is given in a Fahrenheit. The 2 point is 0, minus 32 and 0,68. See, in y-axis and x-axis, the point 0,32 means it is the point. Let me take it as this is the 32 means the point lies in a y-axis means then x is equal to 0,32, right? And then 20,68. X-axis is 20, y-axis 68. This is the line, right? Now first we want to find the slope and the y-intercept. When the 2 point is given, we know how to find slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is the formula, right? Here 2 point is given. Let me take it as first one x1 y1, x2 y2. See, y2 is 68 minus y1 is 32 divided by x2 is 20 divided by x1 is 0. If you substitute this, we get 8 minus 2 is 6, 3 minus 3 is 3 divided by 20. And again it will be reduced, right? 4 9s are 4 5s are. So slope m is equal to 9 by 5. That is slope. Next we want to find out y-intercept. Y-intercept means the point lies on the y-axis where at least the straight line is meet exactly at only one place. Here this is the point, it meets x y-axis. So y-intercept means then the y value is the intercept, that c is equal to 32. This is the y-intercept. So the line, the point intersect at y-axis. So in y-axis means then x is always 0. Then the y value is that intercept 32. Then second one is write the equation of this line. The equation of line is line. See, one slope and the intercept is given, right? Equation of the line y is equal to mx plus c when slope and the intercept is given. This is the formula to find the equation of the line when one slope and the intercept is given. Here slope m is equal to 9 divided by 5 into x plus c intercept is equal to 32. Now we want to form the equation means equal to 0 method terms, right? Here we have the denominator 5. So I multiple all the term by 5. So 5y is equal to 9x plus 5 2s are 10, 0 remainder 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 60. That is 160. Now I take this equation 5y to another side. Then we get 9x minus 5y plus 160 equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line, or otherwise we may let here itself y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of the straight line. So we can leave here also, both are the same one, right? Let's see the C. In C they are given as x is equal to 25 degree, that is temperature is given as 25 degree. X value is given as 25 degree. We want to find the value in Fahrenheit. We know that now only we have found out y is equal to 9 by 5 into x plus 32. This is the formula for converting the Celsius into Fahrenheit and then Fahrenheit to convert the Celsius. In physics we have already studied about this formula, right? So here it is, F is equal to, in physics they have used F is equal to 9 divided by 5 into C plus 32. Here we are using y and x, the same formula, right? Now the x value is already given. See here just now only we have found out y is equal to 9 by 5 x plus 32, right? Now applying that x value in this equation, 9 divided by 5 into x value is 25 degree plus 32. Now 5 ones are 5 5s are, then y is equal to 9 5s are 45 plus 32, then y is equal to 77 degree Fahrenheit. Earth is the temperature of Earth. Mean temperature of Earth is 77 degree Fahrenheit. Thank you, students.